Hi, my name is Stan Lee. I'll talk about the BIMS, Breeding Information Management System. What is BIMS? It is a secure and comprehensive online breeding data management system in community databases that allow individual breeders to store, manage, archive, and analyze their private breeding program data. It's also used to provide public breeding data, such as public ROSACEAE data. It's compatible with a Fieldbook app. With BIMS, you can access BIMS from the link under the tool menu. Here's BIMS homepage. Top panel shows crop, program, and user information. We have accordion menu on the sidebar. So you click the title, it's expand and show the list of the links. And we have a main panel in the middle. When the tab is clicked, it shows the contents of the tab in the main panel. When visiting BIMS for the first time, it's a good idea to check the BIMS help section. Here you can see the user guide and FAQ. If you have a question or suggestion, you can send us email from contact us link. In BIMS, we have a public breeding data, which you can access without account, or private breeding program data that is only accessible to a specific breeding program. Start with public data. First, you need to choose a crop from the crop list. Once a crop is chosen, you now need to choose a program from the list. Once crop and program are chosen, you can browse the program under the Manage Breeding section. Or you can create a new program under Admin menu for program. Once create your program, you might want to add the group member to your program. Here you can add the member to your program and allow them to read only or edit permission. If you plan to ask member to upload data, you want to give them edit permission. This is a trait page under Manage Breeding. All the traits for the program are listed in this page. When you click a trait, it shows the detail for that trait. If a trait is a numeric trait, it shows the histogram and a statistic for that trait. This is another type of a trait. It's called categorical trait. The data of the categorical trait are one of the categories defined in trait property. For categorical trait, a pie chart will be shown, and when you place your mouse on the pie chart section, it shows the frequency of the data. You can see there's 383 data points for data N. This is accession page where all the accession can be found. When you click accession, it shows the detail of the accession. You can see organism and parental information in the data points. You can find the number of the data associated with the chosen accession. You see phenotype 47. This means that there are 47 phenotypic data points associated with these accessions. If you have a genotypic data, the number of the genotypic data will be listed here as well. Okay, this is a trial page. All the phenotype and genotype trial are listed in this page. When you click a trial, it shows the detail for the trial. For the phenotypic trial, you can see data and stats of the trial data. If it has a data by clicking View button here. Okay, there are two places you can upload your data in BIMS. You can upload your data with our data templates. The template list page lists all the currently available data template in BIMS. You can download the individual data template or all template in one Excel file. I'll show what a template look like. I click download for the phenotype template. Okay, it generates an empty worksheet with header for the phenotype data template. Then open header. There you can find the description of all the headers. Now you can map your data to a template. Here's an example of the data template with data. Once data templates are populated and ready, you can come here to upload the data template. You can see all the data uploaded to your program is in the list. If group member upload the data, you'll see them in the list. So you can tell when and who upload data to your program. Okay. This is a field book management page. Here, basically, you can import, export data between BIMS and fieldbook. If you want to upload the data, upload the trade evaluation data collected with the fieldbook app, you can come here to upload the field file exported from the fieldbook app. And this is archive or backup data page. Once you start uploading data to BIMS, you might want to archive or backup your data from time to time. Please note that the data is automatically backed up nightly in our system, but you may still want your own backup on your computer. Here you can download the previously backup data, or you can back up your data. You don't need to back up all the data every time. You can choose the type of data you want to back up. Okay, here's a column selection. Just check the listed item here, and they become columns of the result table. You can choose accession property or sample, or add more trade data to the table. And you can find and hit the update column button somewhere. It's update the result table. Now you can browse table or sort it, or download the data. If the statistic is checked, it calculates the stats of all the trade data, and it's added to your download file. Now you can save the result of the search. It's basically save your search conditions and then list of the accession. The list of the accession is used in various places in BIMS. I'll show you one example in the next slide. This is a current data analysis page. You can compare trade value from multiple datasets. Here you can compare trade value by the data year, cross, trial, location, and accession list. In the previous slide, I showed you that you can save the search. The saved search has an accession list. So you can create your own accession list by search. And you can come here on this page to compare trade value of your custom list. For this example, I choose trial as my data set. And I select all the trials. Then I click fruits L in the trade list. Now you can see histogram and stats for all 3 trials. You can hide some of the data by clicking the legend. This is sometimes useful if you have many datasets. In further works on BIMS, we will add such genotyped data soon, and we will make BIMS BRAPI compliant so that evaluation data can be directly uploaded from the field book to BIMS. It can also link out to the other BRAPI compliant tools. We'll add the image uploader, and we plan to add more analysis and breeding decision tools. Thank you.